Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad 12X and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the option apps and services. Then let's tap on apps at the top and 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.